Hello, I'm showing you how to make a simple paper aeroplane. First, fold the paper in half, making sure that the creases are nice and straight. Then open it back out. Then fold in one corner into the center seam or crease, and then do the exactly same with the other side. Make sure the creases are perfect. Then do the exact same and folding it again into the middle. Okay, you should now have a shape like that. Okay, once you've done that, you need to fold it in half. Now, make sure all the creams are pressed down. Once you've done that, you should end up with a shape like this. Now, once it's folded in, you need to bring each side down so it's exactly in line with the bottom, which I'll show you here. It's like exactly in line with this bottom bit here. And then do the exact same to the other side. And there you have your simple paper aeroplane. Now, show you how far it flies. Pretty far. Pretty far. Thanks for watching.